Hi, I'm Eric from Small Addictions RC. I'm one of the repairmen here. I'm also one of the salesmen here. What we have going on today is we're all building a model as a group. We're building a 66 Chevelle. Every person here is taking their turn with different steps along the way. First 3 steps was the engine building. So what I've got here is a SS396 out of the Chevelle. A couple of different techniques I used is flat brushing. I also used some shading in the bottom here. That kind of gave it a weathered look. On the engine to look like it's been ran, not like it's a showroom quality or a restoration, but something that somebody's gonna daily drive. Some of the paints I used as testers. They make great paints. The colors come out nice. So that was my step. Next step is going to be building part of the chassis, I do believe. You can tune in next week to see how that goes.